Ow! Ha, no ha, hurts. Ouch.
Colin, that's not nice. That's not nice. Hey, that's not nice, you monster. Colin, are you a monster? You scary? Are you scary? Look at your poor little head. Hey, would you sit down? Colin, are you a scary monster? No.
Yes, you baby. You love your dada. Dad, a kiss.
All right. Hey.
Hey, relax. It was an accident.
Thank you so much.
What's happening here? My brother David is a dentist, and I make him white my teeth for free. No. I swear, touch up. You're fucking crazy. How can they get anywhere? It wants to be like my shirt. Is it there yet? Look.
They're there.
No, it's not.
Yes, they are.
It's not.
Yes, they are.
A little bit. Once a month, I get my teeth white, which is pretty excessive. You're supposed to go once every like a year. Grab my hair.
Colin, where's your head? Yes, that's your head. Where's your nose? Hey, where's your nose? Where's your feet? Where's your feet? You're not listening. Where's your feet? No, where's your feet? Where's your feet? Stop being dumb. Look at this. You're a butt. Why are you a butt? No! Hey, hey, hey! Whoa!